6:29 in the AM, January 17th, 2017, so it's 71:17. It's 4- outside. It should have been plus, whoever did this day. It's not as cold as yesterday. It's 6+, or 6 above what it was yesterday. I think I have a cold. I'm starting to feel it right here, which is not nice. So I'm going to school now then. So this is where I go every day. Work, work, work. Looking at him, picking up big stones. Hard work, but it's fun. I'm on my way to get something to eat. I don't have any food with me. It's going to be a baguette or something. I know. Dieting plan, but I'll have to. It's what I have. We didn't do anything yesterday. We went to my mom's and stuff and ate a bit of meat at the big shopping center. On my way to the unemployment office. I'm going there to check if I need to be doing my internship, because in the dead of winter no excavators are digging, so there's no internship to be done, and they're just holding me in school for 4 more weeks just to get money. So I'm going to go to the unemployment office and tell them that this is a rip-off. I've done the final test. I've done everything I have to do. So it's stupid that I should be there for another month when everything is done. I should have my certificate of being able to drive. So I just got my food. This is what I'm eating at home. So I'm not always cheating, okay?